Salt marshes are a crucial component of the Texas coastal ecosystem. Loss of these ecosystems greatly affects the Gulf Coast on a larger scale. Since our earliest aerial imagery in 1958, it has shown that we've lost over 500 acres of marsh in this system. This is due in part to two different blockages. The first blockage at a location known as Fish Pass consisted of a man-made road through the middle of the marsh. This was removed, however, this did not solve the entire issue, as this was a small blockage compared to the large scale of the issue. The major issue was a debris and oyster shell plug at the north end of Magnolia Inlet. The plug blocked off all water flow from the bay into Old Town Lake, Zimmerman Marsh, and further down to Fish Pass. To understand the extent of the blockage, an extensive research component was included to evaluate the marsh. Salinity levels, water flow, and biological data were all sampled and included in the study. The research showed that the only solution was the removal of the debris plug. This was accomplished with extensive effort from Rexco, Calhoun County, and Texas A&M. The effort was successful in reconnecting the marsh to the bay, and the hydrologic processes were restored. The final component of the restoration project was to build a shoreline protection measure at the south end of Old Town Lake. This was accomplished with the help of Rexco and a series of specialized equipment, built to extend out over the marsh edge and not disturb the marsh vegetation. And as you can see, the shoreline is now protected from waves and wind.
So what's the take-home message from the debris pile removal? Basically, water can get into the marsh. It's going to help both the fish, shrimp, and crabs reproduce, and it's going to help further the economic strength from both Port Lavaca and Magnolia Beach.